In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send leads to Pipedrive Webhook. The goal here is simple. You will create an automation in Pipedrive that fires when a new deal is added, and then sends selected deal details to a webhook endpoint so another tool can receive the data instantly. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking to the bottom area of the interface for the three dots menu. Click those three dots and then choose Automation. This is where Pipedrive keeps all workflow automations, including the ones that can send information outside of Pipedrive. Once you are in Automation, click plus, Add Automation. This will open the setup options. Choose Custom Automation so you can define your own trigger and action rather than using a preset. Now you will set up the trigger. Set the trigger type to Deal, then set the event to Added. This means the automation will run every time a new deal is created in your account. After confirming those settings, click Add Trigger. Taking a moment here to confirm the trigger is important because it controls when your webhook will fire. Next, you will add the action. Click the plus sign to add an action, then select External Tool and choose Webhook. This tells Pipedrive you want to send data to an external endpoint using a webhook request. You will now see a place to enter your endpoint URL. Paste in the webhook URL provided by the system that will receive your leads. Make sure you copy the full address exactly, because even a missing character can cause the request to fail. If your receiving tool has a test mode or request inspector, it is a good idea to have that ready so you can confirm the payload arrives. After the URL is in place, select the fields you want to send. Choose the deal information that your other system needs, such as key identifiers and relevant details. Keeping the field list focused can make your downstream processing cleaner and more reliable. Finally, click Save and Activate. Saving stores your automation and activating turns it on so it will run automatically going forward. From this point, each time a deal is added, Pipedrive will send the selected fields to your webhook endpoint. That covers everything you need to know.